Struggling to keep your remote IT team on the same page? What if I told you that you could master collaboration across different time zones without ever stepping into a physical office? By integrating a few powerful tools, you can transform your scattered team into a powerhouse of productivity. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate tech stack for remote success: Microsoft Teams, Jira, Slack, and GitHub. These aren't just tools. They're the foundation of a thriving, efficient remote workplace, and I'll show you exactly how teams use them to stay ahead. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the virtual office hub, Microsoft Teams. Gone are the days of feeling disconnected. Many companies use Teams for daily stand-up meetings. It's perfect because they can host video calls with the entire team, sharing screens to demonstrate progress or troubleshoot issues live, and use the chat feature for quick reactions and questions. This keeps hybrid and remote teams completely in sync, just as if we were all gathered around a whiteboard. It's this daily check-in that builds momentum and ensures everyone is aligned on our immediate goals. It's the digital equivalent of that morning coffee chat, but way more productive. Next, we need to manage the work itself, and that's where Jira comes in. Think of Jira as your project's central nervous system. It allows teams to track every single task from a tiny bug fix to a major feature release. Individuals can create tickets for each piece of work, assign them to team members no matter where they are in the world, and watch progress in real time on their Kanban board. When a developer moves a task from in progress to done, everyone sees it instantly. This transparency is crucial. It eliminates blockers, clarifies priorities, and gives everyone a bird's-eye view of the entire project lifecycle. It's incredibly scalable, making it just as effective for a small business project as it is for a large enterprise. Finally, let's connect our communication with our codebase using Slack and GitHub. This integration is where the real magic happens for a development workflow. Using Slack for quick, informal discussions in dedicated channels. If a developer has a question about a piece of code, they can start a thread and the team can jump in to help. But when it's time for formal code reviews, that happens in GitHub. Creating pull requests where team members can comment directly on the code, suggest changes, and approve merges, all from their own devices wherever they are. This combination of quick chats in Slack and detailed code reviews in GitHub creates a seamless, efficient workflow that has been proven time and again in my own DevForge projects. It keeps the development cycle moving smoothly and ensures code quality remains high. So there you have it, the powerhouse quartet for remote success. Microsoft Teams for face-to-face connection, Jira for meticulous task tracking, and the dynamic duo of Slack and GitHub for seamless development communication. This stack is what empowers remote teams to not just function, but to truly excel. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, comment with your favorite remote collaboration tool, and don't forget to subscribe for more IT hacks and pro tips. Thanks for watching.